Let's make butter chicken. Start with 2 pounds of cubed chicken and then season with salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Stir it all up and set aside. We melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot. Once the butter is melted, add the chicken and sear on all sides. This recipe is really very straightforward, and while it takes a few ingredients, it's not hard or time-consuming to make a delicious version of this Indian restaurant classic at home. When the chicken is seared, remove it and set aside. Place it on a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Melt more butter and then add onions. Cook until the onions are soft, then add minced garlic, grated ginger, garam masala, chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, and cinnamon. Stir it all together and you will have a fragrant treat in that pot. Pour in 14 ounces of tomato sauce and mix together with the seasoned onions. Let everything come to a simmer and then add in 1 cup of heavy cream and half a cup of water. Mix together and let come to a simmer again. Once simmering, add your chicken back in, mix, then cover and let simmer for 10 minutes to let all the flavors come together. After 10 minutes, uncover and we're going to finish with a little bit more butter. It's important to keep the heat low at this point and keep stirring just so that everything mixes together perfectly. Serve the chicken with rice and garnish with cilantro. I really think having the cilantro is key to this recipe. It adds so much freshness. That is one delicious bite of chicken. I hope you like this recipe as much as I did. Cheers, everybody.